Imagine this. You find an old $50 bill in your drawer. You have two choices: spend it on a nice dinner or invest it. Most people think $50 isn't enough to change their future. But what if I told you that this tiny amount could be the first step toward building real wealth? Because investing isn't about starting with thousands of dollars, it's about starting. Today, I'll show you exactly how to invest your first $50, even if you've never invested before. No confusing financial jargon, no risky gambling, just a simple step-by-step plan. Let's begin. The biggest lie people believe is, I'll start investing when I'm rich. But that's backwards. People become wealthy because they invest consistently, not because they already have lots of money. Think about it. If you invest $50 today, then another $50 next month, and keep doing it for years, your money starts working for you. That's the secret. Rich people don't only work for money, their money works for them. Let's be honest, $50 won't make you a millionaire overnight, but it teaches something much more valuable: the habit of investing. Imagine planting a tiny tree. The tree isn't impressive today, but give it enough time, and it becomes something enormous. Money works the same way. Every great investor started with their first investment. Your first $50 isn't about getting rich tomorrow. It's about building the habit that could make you rich someday. Before investing anything, ask yourself one question: do I have emergency money? If your car breaks down tomorrow, or you suddenly lose your job, you don't want to sell investments at the worst possible time. That's why experts recommend having at least a small emergency fund first. Even $500 can protect you from many unexpected expenses. Think of it as your financial seatbelt. Something many beginners ignore. If you're paying 25% interest on a credit card and earning only 10% from investments, you're actually losing money. High-interest debt grows faster than most investments. So before investing, pay off expensive debt first. That's one of the safest financial decisions you can make. Now comes the fun part. Where should your first $50 go? For most beginners, a low-cost index fund is one of the smartest choices. Instead of buying one company's stock, an index fund owns hundreds of companies. That means you're investing in businesses like Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Google, and many others, all at once. You're spreading your risk. And historically, broad market index funds have performed well over long periods. Buying one company's stock might sound exciting. Maybe it's Tesla, or Nvidia, or another popular company. But here's the problem. If that one company performs badly, your investment suffers. Index funds reduce that risk. Instead of betting on one winner, you're betting on the entire market. It's less exciting, but often much smarter. Let's talk about the real superpower of investing: compound growth. Imagine your $50 earns money. Next year, you earn returns not only on your original investment, but also on last year's gains. Then the following year, you earn returns on an even larger amount. It's like a snowball rolling downhill. It starts tiny, but keeps getting bigger. The earlier you begin, the more time compounding has to work. Time is more powerful than the amount you start with. Here's where most people fail. They invest once, then stop. Successful investors do the opposite. They invest regularly, every paycheck, every month, even if it's only $25 or $50. Consistency beats perfection. Small investments repeated over years often outperform waiting for the perfect time, because no one can predict the market perfectly. Before you invest, avoid these common mistakes. Number 1, trying to get rich quickly. Number 2, buying investments because they're trending on social media. Number 3, selling every time the market drops. Markets go up, markets go down. That's normal. Long-term investors understand this. They stay patient. Because investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Simple action plan. Step 1. Save your first $50. Step 2. Open a trusted investment account available in your country. Step 3. Choose a low-cost diversified index fund. Step 4. Turn on automatic monthly investing. Then, leave it alone. The hardest part isn't investing, it's staying consistent. Your first $50 probably won't change your life, but the habit you build today absolutely can. Every millionaire investor once made a first investment. This could be yours. Don't wait until you have more money. Start with what you have, because years from now, you'll either wish you had started today, or you'll be grateful that you did. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's ready to start investing. And remember, the best time to invest was years ago. The second best time is today.